Oh, good morning, welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. This is a care for Cleveleys job, this one. It's an absolutely beautiful morning, and today we are going to start transforming a plain grass verge into a lovely welcoming garden. So there's a legion of volunteers tripping backwards and forwards, bringing plants round that we're going to put in. So we're going to have a look. This could be quite entertaining. So you know what to do, don't you? Subscribe and make sure that you've hit the bell for notifications. So this is the Verge at Derby Road. This is a main gateway into town. This is the bus station. This is our lovely super duper shop here, which you must make sure you visit. So these are the two long stay car parks. There's a short stay car park just there at the side of the Dickens. So we're making this into a nice welcoming garden. So the gardening lads from Wye Council have already been out and stripped some grass off for us. So they've done a bit of the donkey work, and we've been buying and growing and collecting and propagating plants for ages. So these are a selection of what we're going to put in. We've got some cheap ones we've bought in sales. We've got some that have come out of people's back gardens. These are quite a few that we've propagated and split ourselves. So we've got lots to put in and lots to do. And then obviously we've got our lovely arch, which becomes the centrepiece of it. And the little grass path in the middle becomes the path that you walk up and down. And we're going to put things like plant trails in. So it's going to be really nice. It's going to be really pretty. Here they come, look. Here come the troops. We've got a toadstool to come. Hopefully he'll turn up today. Here come the troops with the rest of the clobber. Good morning, troops. So it's now 1:15 and I need to go and do a shift in the shop. So I'm going to abandon these lovely people, but we haven't half done some work. Look at this. All these plants laid out ready for putting in. We've got the labourers labouring. We're building, Richard's building a rockery. He's pulled a ton of stones out. Are you buggered, Keith?
I am.
Do you think you need to stop? And then you'll not have your wife shouting at us?
Well, yeah, damn, is it?
Lots and lots of plants. It's going to look really lovely. And then eventually we're going to do that bit down there as well. And we've even got a toadstool. Doesn't that toadstool look lovely?
It does. I didn't realise you were filming, Jane. But yes, it does.
Oh.
Men at work.
Men at work. I'm abandoning you, Kevin.
Right.
Because I need to go in and save customers.
Serve customers.
Save customers in that their shop. I know, I'm going to go and get a sandwich.
You better hurry up, it's 22.
I'll get you one and I'll leave it in shop. So, come back for the next instalment. Oh yeah, right, okay. I'll just go and get a sandwich then. Come back later. It's now 5:15. And they've just about done. I've been in shop this afternoon and left them out here gardening. So we've got all the plants planted. We've got the fragrant things, the lavender and whatnot, around the side of the bench, and all the plants in the little garden. Doesn't that look nice? When that starts growing, it's going to look really lovely. I think you've done a fantastic job there, Liz.
Oh, not me.
Yes, you. We've got the mushrooms in. We've still got space for some plants. We can put some pretty things in now.
Well, you can also put bulbs in there.
Yeah.
Get some summer bulbs.
Yeah. Oh, that looks really nice. Well done, everybody. Well done. That looks lovely. So, don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed to Visit Felt Coast, and don't forget to give this video a like. And if you want to make a contribution towards the work of the volunteers, you can come and put some money in the collecting tin at the shop. It's over there. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye for now.